야, 아오지를. Got a nice kimono on. I think I definitely need to get like a massage. My neck is dying and my shoulder is dying. Yeah, maybe I won't survive with a live view. So Japanese, indeed. It's short. Oh really? It's cheaper than Singapore. Yeah. I saw that there's a place that does 1 hour massage for $30.
1 hour is not okay.
Yeah. $30 to $40.
I want a man to do.
A man?
Because a woman is usually like her hands is really small, right? I prefer like a big hands to do the massage. A shoulder, I think it's a shoulder.
I think I prefer having a lady touch me. Oh, you don't do body.
Yeah, no,
Mine-
no body massage.
Oh, okay. I normally get like a like a full body massage. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It's hella expensive in Singapore. Yeah. Her face. She's like, I know. Oh. Yeah. But it's fun though. It can be fun. Yeah. Is that why you do a lot of home stream now? You like home stream as well?
I noticed that I don't know how to do the home streaming.
What do you mean you don't know how to do home stream?
I don't know what to talk. Not really. Nice?
Unlimited. Try. It is karupis, but like it's different. I think this lighting makes me look so pale. No. 네, 밀기가 아닐 거야. 너무 타누키. It's just that right now this McDonald's like they don't have a table for groups. It's like one by one. 네.
Hi, nice to meet you. So this is my first time to greet.
We have to separate. 네. Let's try the potato. To me, it's always soggy, but maybe it's a bit different this time.
Even in Japan?
No, in Japan is soggy.
Really? Singapore one is better.
It's still soggy.
Wait, so which potato? Which potato? Potato is
Demo is I don't know if it's because I'm tired. That's why I'm like, oh, this is nice.
I need the salt.
Yeah, maybe that's why. Yeah. Lonely people, literally every seat here in McDonald's, it's like only table for one or two, I guess, at most. But everyone's sitting pretty much here by themselves. Together it's nice. Salty
and sweet.
Yeah. Because I already drank 4 cups of coffee. That's why when you say let's go to a cafe, I was like,
You already?
yeah, I have 4 cups.
Money.
On the way to coming here, I found another coffee place. I think it was called Up to You Cafe or something like that. It's quite nice there too.
And so I noticed that if you're a coffee lover, you have a lot of nice place to visit. I noticed that. It's like Tokyo have a lot of nice cafe.
True.
Kawaii cafe.
True. But then, I would say a lot of them are not streamer friendly.
あ、マジ
Because it's very small.
あ、いやいやいや
Then they'll end up putting
あ、いやいやいや
other customers.
Other customers
They always
in
say
the
like
camera.
no, thank you. A lot of the time. Yeah. What kind of shape? Oh, I got the cutter piece. Ta-da! It's pretty cool. I missed out on the what was the one before? Oh, you wouldn't know. What was the one before this? It was the
Sumi, can you handle the two cameras?
Can. This.
I think that's better. So that you touch the...
何を What?
あ
Bathroom?
Can I? Can you put it? You don't need to see me. It's okay.
What do you mean they don't need to see you? See me? They should see you. They should see you.
So the two of us get together. Ah.
こういう感じ
Ah.
Or tight squeeze?
Yeah, squeeze, squeeze.
Squeezing into one.
Yeah, this is better.
I was like, wait, what?
Oh.
This is what I mean. It's soggy. There's no crisp. It's soggy. But I can't stop eating.
Soggy wa dry.
Soggy
Means
means
dry.
no wet.
No wet?
Wet.
Ah, wet?
ぬるい。
ああ、そういうこと
No, it's like
ああ、そういう
is
こと
that
か。
soggy? What exactly is that in Japanese?
You mean wet? Wet?
Yeah.
ちょっと湿ってるみたいな。
Yeah.
Big wet? 湿ってる。あ、そうマジか。
Yeah, like that.
Ah, okay.
But it doesn't really apply for French fries because they make it this way.
う
It's like they half cook. It's not fully cooked.
ん。
You can make it more crispy, but they won't make it more crispy.
なるほどね。So which burger shop is the best so far?
Best burger?
Burger or best French fry?
Oh, from the fast food place?
ファストフード、そうだね。
Actually, I don't like the French fries in Japan. They'll make it soggy.
マジ
Oh,
べちゃべちゃしてる。
oh,
べ
there's
ちゃ
this
べちゃ。
one. Ah,
べちゃ
yeah,
べちゃしてる。べちゃべちゃしてる。
becha. Yeah.
べちゃべちゃ is
That's the one.
soggy.
That's the word.
べちゃべちゃしてる。
Right? You guys can't hear any of the crunch sound.
After a long time I try potato. 食べた。
You didn't buy it during that like hype. Do you remember? Near the Christmas time, there was like they ran out of potato, and then the McDonald's they were like, "Sorry, we can't do M or L size potato. We can only serve
Only
out
S size.
S size." And then everyone went crazy. Yeah, they all wanted to get their really big L size before they stopped. McDonald's fries are the best for the 7 minutes that they're edible. True. When they're edible, it's okay. Have you ever like ordered McDonald's and then took it home and then ate it? It doesn't taste as nice as when you eat it here.
確かにべちゃべちゃだわ。
Yeah.
Uber とかやばいよね。If you order the McDonald's Uber, it's all なんかwet なんかすごいウォータリー。確かに。
Nah, I doubt it. Oh, true. True. I don't know about Japan, but in Singapore they had a BTS McDonald's.
があるよ。
Up there.
They
did
got
it
yeah.
last year.
It was crazy.
Mm.
やばい。
So I ordered mine.